Well, g'day. I'm just injecting these antlers. I hope I can see. I can't see what the camera's saying, but I'm just injecting these antlers. Hands in the bloody road. I'm just injecting these antlers with methylated spirits held in a boot so I don't tip over. Just methylated spirits. And hypodermic needle from local rural store. They break real easy, especially the tip. It's supposed to have a guard thing around that needle, but it broke off. So I inject in through the points of all the antler. I go in there, and then in all the corners of the antlers, like in the valleys, between the points, and then right down the main beam, so that the blood and everything gets pushed out at the base of the antlers and runs out on the skull caps or inside the skull. I won't show you that part because YouTube will probably go no. So I'll just I'll put this aside so you can see. You're pointing in the wrong direction. Right, so I've got my needle. My thumb's just about killed from this, but you start in here. You push the needle in. There's nearly full now. And you squeeze it in. Squeeze it in there like that. And it's running out down the bottom. Hope you can see that. That's running all down out through the bottom. What you keep doing that. You keep doing that until it's clear. The drainage is cleared, and then they're ready to put paint thinners on the outside. You just brush it on, and then hang them in a bag for about 2 weeks. A breathable bag, you know, like a Hessian bag or a feed bag, polyester, and you hang them that way up, so all this drains down through the skull cap. And the last set I did, I'll just grab them now, only a little set. And that's all preserved now. This one was damaged pretty well where he fell. Split that end open, but it's gone like rock hard. And they don't smell or anything, not a smell in them. And then I hydro dipped the skull cap just for something different. A lot better than a yellowing bone. And a lot easier to keep clean. Give that a wipe over now. It gets dusty, and it's clean, and inside it's clean. So that's what I do, or how I preserve velvet antlers. Anyway, hope you got something out of it. Might help someone with some velvet antlers that got a deer early in the season, and help you preserve it. And I think they look fantastic myself. But I'll keep going, and catch us all later.